Hi everyone, and welcome to the first ever Ninja Crafty vlog. So I'm just going to kind of talk about the stuff that I've been working on, what I'm loving currently, what's going on in this crafty life, and maybe even what I'm cooking, because I love to cook too, along with like crafting and doing all things artsy. But please, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and like and ring the bell and all those fun things. Also, follow me at all those social media things, Facebook, Instagram. I do have a TikTok, but I've only posted one thing. But anyways, so to talk about what I'm currently working on, if y'all follow me on Instagram, I made this lovely heart. This is a digital file from the Silhouette Studio store that is Teresa Collins, and I filled it in with January's washi from the Simply Gilded box. And I love this washi because of its hollow iridescence. It's really great. I love that, and I've also been having a whole lot of fun with flocked heat transfer vinyl and foil metallic vinyl. So this is just flocked vinyl on cardstock. And heat transfer vinyl, oh, it's for clothes? No, you can use it in your paper crafts. I did a combination of the flocked vinyl and the metallic vinyl on there, and you know what? I ran it through my laminator. I did a super quick video on that, I think last week. So I've been having a lot of fun with that. This one is especially fun because it's from Teresa Collins' Love Actually digital papers, and I traced the leopard print PNG and I created this cut file so I could cut it out. So once you have a digital file, it is super fun to just play around and push the limits of what you can do. And here is another one, and these are perfect kind of bookmark, tag, slimline cards for Valentine's Day, which is this coming Sunday, because I'll hopefully release this on Friday. Alright, what else have I been working on? Oh, yes, more Love Actually digital papers. I don't know if y'all watch Teresa's Motivation Monday, but we made these lovely fortune cookies. Of course, I had to be extra, and I stamped on the opposite side of the paper to put some gold and some red inside for Lunar New Year, or Chinese New Year, which is coming up on Friday. I also had a lot of fun making these lovely little ornaments. I just created a heart file with a dotted line and cut it out, 7 of them, and then I made this tassel with a We Are Memory Keepers tassel maker, and I had a lot of fun with these. Again, I did a little Instagram or IGTV video on this, so go ahead, follow me, ninja_crafty on Instagram. Alright, I don't know about y'all, but Happy Planner released 2 boxes within like a week of each other. I don't know what that's about, but did I get it? Yes, I did. Now this is the pressed florals one, and y'all have already seen previews. If not, look it up. The Happy Planner squad did a great job kind of going over everything. Hopefully I'll do another later video with some of the sticker books that I have to see how they coordinate with the existing Happy Planner sticker collection. So I liked that. I'm a sucker for a good flower, not a too girly flower, but a good flower. Did y'all get the, I don't know, what was it, the love box or whatever? Of course I had to get those red metallic rings from the Valentine's Day box. And the silicone pen pouch, it feels so nice. I'm just gonna pet it a little bit because it feels nice and soft. I don't know. It's like that satiny kind of paper coating that you get sometimes in some really nice things. I think Simply Gilded does it sometimes, and Planner Press, I'm not sure, but it feels very nice. I'm just gonna pet it for a second. So I had to, when I ordered my love box, I decided to get the mystery washi pouch. I mean, what's not to love? It's hollowy and shiny, and all that goodness. So I'm gonna open this for y'all to see what washi I got. I think a lot of people have been saying that they've been getting thin washi, and yeah, that's what I got. So let's see. So this is actually really, really super thin washi. So we have that. And then we have, let's see, just some other washi that's this kind of standard thin width. The other was super thin. So I got those two, and they're not disappointed. That was actually pretty cool. Let's see, what else am I doing? Life in general. Well, life in lockdown. What are you supposed to do? Can't really go out. I live in California, so I know that California's regulations and things like that are a little bit different than the rest of the country, but you know what? Staying in my craft room, playing in my studio, being on Teresa Collins' design team, honestly, is probably one of the best things that ever happened to me, because creating, you can just escape, and I love it. I love challenging myself to try to figure out what new project to do, how can I push, you know, the stamp or the heat transfer vinyl. What can I do that's going with the supplies that I already have? Yes, I did buy Happy Planner stuff, but I also have a lot of stuff that I can use. And what can I do with my current supply? How can I extend it? How can I do new things that I haven't thought of, other people haven't thought of? So I'm really liking that. I have a kid and a wife, and you know, things are going. We've hit a stride where things are pretty good. I know as of now the curve is going down because we've been vaccinating, and also we still need to be wearing masks. You know what, honestly, after I get a vaccination, which will probably be quite a while because I'm in the younger group and I don't have any health concerns, I'll still be wearing a mask because you know what? You never know what you're gonna get, and a lot of other countries do wear masks when they're not in the house. So life is good for the most part. You know, it's all relative. Yes, this time last year I was prepping for PlannerCon. Oh my goodness, PlannerCon 2020. Wow, that was the last large group thing that I and a lot of people were able to do. We actually, while we were there, because of the county, we got shut down a day early. So I remember sitting in the ballroom, getting close to midnight, finishing up all the last things that had been planned for that Sunday. So yeah, it's going on a year that we've been locked down, sheltering in place, that sort of thing. So that's pretty incredible to think that we've gotten there, because I've been keeping track in my planner, and yeah, let me show you. Because I have been keeping track. I made fun little stickers to kind of keep track of what's been going on. Like this, not the what's been going on, but the number of the day. So yeah, you can see right there, that's day 324. So I'm filming this on a Thursday. So that is day 333 in California since we've been locked down and I don't consider we're out of lockdown until you can freely go and socialize in restaurants and out everywhere without having any orders or mandates or things like that from your local government. So yeah, we are definitely coming up on a year. That's pretty incredible. Now, let's see, what have I been cooking? I don't know if I'll put a slideshow or pictures, but what I've been cooking, let's see. I made an Indian dish with some tikka masala simmer sauce and lots of squash, since I had a whole bunch from my imperfect produce box, and served that with lentils that I cooked in the rice cooker, which I don't think it was very successful, but you know what? It was a healthy meal. It was vegetarian, and it wasn't the most gross thing that I'd ever made. I usually make pretty delicious things. I made, see, last week or the week before, I made a stuffed cabbage kind of casserole sort of thing in the slow cooker, and that was really good. I think cabbage is super underrated as an ingredient. If it's cooked right, it adds a lot of sweetness to your dish, and I linked to the recipe in the bottom. I don't know. I found a recipe, and of course I can never leave well enough alone. I constantly have to change and edit them. Let me show you. Because y'all know I do have a recipe book. Let's see, where did that go? Oh, here we go. Stuffed cabbage casserole. Yeah, I printed it out and I wrote a whole bunch of extra things on there. So yeah, I can't leave well enough alone. I'll eventually put them in this. I don't know if I'll create a template. I know that there are Facebook groups specifically for the recipe planner from Happy Planner that people do share free templates that you can kind of print out and customize by hand or on your computer for yourself. So maybe I will look into those and consider sharing those with y'all. I have had a blog called Chef to be Cleo where I did share some of my recipes and things like that, but you know, tastes change. I move on. Now I'm doing kind of artsy craftsy things, trying to bring the fine art into craft and craft into fine art. It's really kind of what I want to try to push. I have ideas that are more artsy than crafty and paper planny, but we'll see, time willing, and cleaning up my mess in my studio. Yes, this area kind of looks okay, but I'm not showing you all the rest of my studio. It's lots of boxes, and it's been too long since I moved into this house that I have no excuse. So I probably honestly need to do some destash, which means giveaways or selling things. I don't know. Leave the comments in below where you think I should sell things, or if you think I should do another giveaway. Honestly, I would love to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. So that means if you're watching this video to this point, please like and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends. I would like this to be somewhat revenue generating. I love what I do. I'm gonna always craft, but as always, making a little money from your side hustle isn't bad. So I will have affiliate links in my description box to products that I do use where I can. And yeah, liking and subscribing and letting me hit 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 watch hours is the point where YouTube actually lets you start monetizing your account. So yeah. All right, I think that's the blog for today. I will try to do a blog. I'm not gonna say weekly, but twice a month, maybe once a month, we'll see. I had been saying since December of last year that I needed to start a vlog, and I finally did. So I will end this video with a boxing video for the giveaway that I did a few weeks ago for the washi tape winner. So I will tack that on to the end. I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and sharing and all that fun stuff, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!